welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Yancy. We are in the garden. Say hi, Elle.
Hi.
That's my little helper. Today we're doing the grand finale of harvesting out of my garden, aka harvesting all of the summer plants out of my garden. It's been a long time coming. Today we're going to get everything out. It is a lot of stuff. I have been extremely overwhelmed, but we're gonna do it today. It's me and Elle in the garden, so come along. We're just gonna be all over the place, okay? We're gonna be harvesting peppers, tomatoes, a whole bunch of stuff. All right, and we still have our loofahs out here, which is probably not good anymore because it is super cold now and they don't do well in the cold. So we're harvesting everything. It's super windy, so I hope you guys can hear me. Please enjoy the ride. I will not be doing a lot of talking. Just enjoy the harvest. You know, look at this as some ASMR of us giving our garden the grand harvest of all the things that's still left in here. All right, so come along, watch us harvest, enjoy the ride, and remember, click the like button if you're enjoying the video. Okay, all righty, y'all, come along.
One look.
Where you going? All the tomato stuff on there. it is late, or it's getting late. The sun has gone down. The sun is going down really early now, as you can see. Remember, y'all, if you're looking for organic heirloom seeds, go ahead in the description of this video and grab your pack of seeds in my Etsy store and get your garden popping. Bye, y'all. Happy gardening. Signature luxurious body butter is packed with all natural skin loving ingredients such as cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and baobab oil. Whipped to perfection, it is lightly made to be easily absorbed into the skin without clogging your pores. This body butter is free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Your new bestie.